Just as there are several different ways of teaching long multiplication to children, there's also several different ways of teaching division. They all start out with an equation, and I make my equations with a deck of cards. So we'll have 4, 5, and a 4 divided by 5. Here's our equation. We have a dividend, a divisor, and the quotient. This is called a dividend. This number is the divisor. And we're looking for a quotient. This symbol, that's another symbol for division. Our dividend goes underneath the bracket, and 5 is outside. Now we can start our division. 5 goes into the 4, which is actually 400. 5 goes into this 4. It doesn't. So we put our 0 up on top. 0 times 5, here's the multiplication step, is 0. Subtract, we get 4. Bring down the next number, 5. 5 divides into 45 9 times. Multiply. 9 times 5 is 45. We'll subtract. Bring down our next number, 4. Start again. 5 divides into 4. It doesn't. Multiply. 0 times 5 is 0. Subtract. We get 4. There are no other numbers to bring down, so this number is our remainder. This comes up to the top as a remainder, 4. So our answer to this problem is 90, remainder 4. Let's make another problem. We have 793. Our divisor is 9. So we're looking for the quotient. If we use our bracket division, 793 divided by 9. You can see that these are in columns. So the first thing we're going to need to do is divide. 9 divides into the very first number in our column, 7. 7 is too small, so our answer is 0. Multiply. 0 times 9 is 0. Remember the 0 rule for multiplication. Anything times 0 is 0. Next, we'll subtract and bring down the next number. Start again. We're going to divide. 9 goes into 79. The closest we can get is 8, because 8 times 9 is 72. That's the multiplying. Here's our subtraction step. 9, subtract 2 from 9. We're going to get a 7, and 7 from 7 is 0. Bring down our next number and start again. Divide. 9 divides into 73 8 times. 8 times 9, our multiplication step, is 72. Then we'll subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1, and 7 minus 7 is 0. There are no more numbers to bring down from the dividend, so the remainder is this 1, which comes back up to the top, remainder 1. So the quotient for this division problem is 88, remainder 1. This type of division is sometimes difficult for children who have ADD or ADHD. It's not possible for them to concentrate on these step by step by step, repeat, step by step by step, repeat. And also some children have difficulties forming the letters or numbers, or else the size of the numbers get large and the columns don't line up properly and so forth. So I've devised a way that I call finger division. It's a lot of mental math, and the technique is pretty fast. Let me show that to you.